What if I told you that I'm not here to introduce a new business model that can pay you daily? Rather, I'm here to open your eyes to see how you can actually make more money daily from your current business. And it's very much possible, all right? It just requires you to put in a little bit of consistency and dish out value, consistent value to your audience and make offers to them. And that's when you begin to realize that your audience can actually pay you daily. That current business that you are doing, whatsoever it is, even if it's funnel design, even if it's freelancing, whatever it is, it can actually pay you daily. It's just that you've not, been exposed to the opportunities around it that can pay you daily. And that is what I am going to be doing in this very video right now. As you can see, I'm in my village, but I still made out time to, you know, come on this camera to, create this video to share value and educate my audience. These are part of the ways you get to consistently create value to your audience. And on the long run, you start to promote something to them, you start to sell things to them, and you start making money continuously daily from it. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video right now. Before we get right into it, my name is Oka from Cynthia. On this channel, I talk about make money online, digital skills, remote jobs, and a lot of other things that can help you make more money for yourself. Now, you might want to ask, how can I make money daily from my current business? Maybe you're thinking, my business, there is no how I can make money from it daily. But before the end of this video, you get to realize that there is no business model that cannot make you money daily. For myself, for instance, I run an e-commerce business, and it's expected that on the 25th December or on the 1st of January that the delivery agents will not be working. But what if I told you that on 25th and on the 1st of January, I still made money from my business? It's all about understanding systems that have been put in place in your own business to enable you make money daily. You don't need to venture into any different business model. It can still be around the current business that you run, and that is what we are going to be talking about in this video. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcomed. Thank you for watching to this very extent, and I believe that by the end of this video you will not regret watching this video from beginning to the end. So let's get right into it. How do you make money daily from your current business? First and foremost, you need to ask yourself, are there people in this my business who are making money daily from it? Check around, check for your colleagues that are in the same line of business with you and see if they're actually, making money from their own business consistently and daily. That is one. Two, after you finish checking for how other people in your line of business are making money daily, the next thing you need to do is to, ask yourself question. Ask yourself this question: how can I make money daily from my business? Now, after you've written these two things, or after you've done these two things, jot down some things, think about it in your quiet time, and ideas will flow. Now, before those ideas will flow, let me explain to you two ways that you can consistently make money from your business. I do not just want to be the one to give you the expert. That's why I said you should ask yourself those two questions to enable you think better, to see how you can actually, make money from your business. But now let me give you a little bit of expo that can help you get started. Now let's take for instance that when we talk about making money daily, service providers always think that it's not for them because it's not every day that they will get clients. But what if I told you that there is something you can do as a service provider to actually make money daily from that same business? Now, let's take for instance that you offer funnel design services, or you offer, let's say, content creation services. It's understandable that not every day you will get clients to pay you for funnels. It's understandable that not every day you get clients to pay you for content, to write content for them. But what if you get to create a digital product teaching people how to create content for businesses? What if you create a digital product that teaches people how to create sales funnel for businesses? Now, when you've done this thing, which is to create a digital product, the next thing you need to do, even before you create, that is the reason why I keep advising people, anything that you find yourself doing in the online space or anywhere you find yourself, always try as much as possible to, you know, to always share value, teach people, explain to people how probably how lucrative your business is, how you get clients. Just once in a while, talk about, share your work process with people, let them know what you are doing, so that anytime you are willing to start selling programs, to start selling courses, you will see people who would buy it. But if you hide yourself under the bed and you are doing whatever you are doing, you will see that when you want to sell a program, it becomes very difficult, because nobody is going to actually believe that you are doing what you claimed to be doing. Okay, so basically, that is it. Now, after you are done creating your program, your course, the next thing you need to do is to start creating offers around it. Start creating offers around it. Remember that, like I said, the first and foremost thing is make sure that you are visible on the online space. Make sure you are visible on the online space. After being visible on the online space, the next thing is to create consistent value. Create consistent value. Let people know you for what you do. Now, to activate daily income for your business, the next thing you need to do is to create a course around whatever you do. If it's a digital, if you offer services, create a digital product around what you do, okay, and start promoting it. Promote daily. Promote it what? Daily. In fact, there's even a possibility that by the time you promote it for 6 months, some days you won't promote it and you'll still see people who would come to you to come and buy. For a very long time now, I've not even created any digital product, but I still get people who come to me to say, Cynthia, I want to buy your virtual assistant training program. How much is it? And you see that these people are people who once in a while my programs in one way or the other, maybe they search virtual assistant and the program pops up on their Facebook, and they just message me, and once they message me, once this type of audience message me, they don't waste time, they just pay, because they have seen one or two posts that I made about what I am selling. So this is one of the ways you can make money for your business daily. Now this is for people who are into services. Okay. Now even for those who are into products or manufacturing services, you can create a system whereby every day your advert is in the faces of people. Every day you send broadcast message to the people who have purchased from you on WhatsApp, reminding them that you have new offers. Okay, even without spending money on ads, you see that every day consistently you are making sales from your business. So these things are actually, very much possible. I hope you are getting value. If you are, let me know in the comment section. And maybe I should even do a practical. If you have any business that you are currently into and you are looking for a way you can make money from that business daily, you can comment us in the comment section of this video. Let's see how to work something out for you. I'll try my possible best to reply you and share you ideas on how you can make money daily from your business. Another interesting idea I thought to share again is this. Now let's say that you are into any business model at all. You can take that business model, go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, I am into XYZ business. Okay, how do you think I can make money from this business model daily? And ChatGPT will give you ideas on how you can actually, make money from that business model daily. So this is one of the ways you can consistently make money from your business. So, okay, now from the ideas that ChatGPT will share with you, you can now take up one or two things from there to actually monetize. All right, so basically that is that. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, also let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I share lots of educative videos on this channel, and you can as well join my Telegram community, Internet Wealth with Cynthia, where I share lots of values about make money online, remote jobs, and so on and so forth. And if you have any valuable, product or app that I can promote to my audience, you can also message me. My email is on the description of this video so that we can work together to deliver value to your business and also impact my own audience. Okay, so basically that is it. You can as well follow me on any of my social media handles. The links is on the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Also, don't forget to let me know the country where you are watching from. All right, so thank you. See you. Bye.